How to redeem Roblox gift card on mobile. So for this, we'll just open up our browser, and here we want to type in the following URL. So just delete this URL here, website, hold, and we want to do roblox.com/redeem. Now what we're going to do is click on go here, and it's going to load up this website. So we need to log in into our Roblox account. So just log in with your Roblox account, click on login here, and I'm gonna do not now here. So what you need to do is actually just type out the account right here. So redeem Roblox codes. As you can see, because I'm accessing it through my web browser, I can directly type out the code right here, and we'll just check this box after we have typed out the gift card code, and then we'll be able to click on redeem here, and we will get this Robux added to our Roblox account. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.